Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to math. Today, we're going to learn about perimeter. Okay, that's the objective for today. Today, we want to learn how to solve for perimeter, how does it work, how to set it up. Okay, everything that has to do with perimeter. Okay, notice that. Okay, I'm going to draw three different figures on the board. One's going to be a right triangle. Another one's going to be a square. And the last one's going to be a rectangle. Okay? You might ask yourself, how come you pick those three? Because there's different ways to solve for them. Okay? When it comes to perimeter. I will say this. Perimeter is always very simple to remember, because when it comes to perimeter, guys, all you have to do, okay, is add up all the sides. Okay, that's all you have to do. Just add up all the sides. For example, on this first one, let's say I have A, B, and C. So we would say A plus B plus C equals our answer, right? Our perimeter. Let me put instead of the question mark, let's put a P. So equals perimeter. So if I were to say A is 4, okay? B is 6. So I can say 4 plus 6 plus, I'm going to say C is 20. So 4 plus 6 plus 20 equals our perimeter. So in this case, 20 plus 6 plus 4 is 30. Okay? Very, very simple. Again, the perimeter of this right triangle is all you have to do is add all three sides. Okay? Doesn't matter the order. The reason why is because it's all adding. Okay? On a square, if we have a side, okay, we have side, 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 side. Okay? They kind of look like fives. It's just an S, okay? Again, since we are dealing with a square, if we have 2 as your side, let's say S equals 2, okay? That means there's a 2 here, a 2 here, and a 2 here. The reason why is because it's a square. Obviously, a square is always the same. You can either do it one of two ways. You can say side plus side. So you can do side plus side plus side plus side equals our perimeter. Or there's a simpler way to do it. Since all 4 sides are the same, we can say 4 times S equals perimeter. Okay? So 4 times the side, because there's 4 sides, equals perimeter. Okay? So in this case, it was 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is 2 plus 2 is 4, plus 2 is 6, plus 2 is 8. Now, if you do 4 times 2, because there's 4 sides, that also gives you 8. Okay? And again, our last one, if we have width and length, okay? So a fancy L. Again, if the width is 5, the length is 10. Again, we can do it one of two ways. We can say 10 plus 5 plus 10 plus 5. Or we can say 2 times length plus 2 times width. Okay? So this what we have. L is 10. So 2 times 10 would be 20. Okay? So we will have 20 plus 2 times 5, which is 10, equals 30, right? Well, let's see if it works out. 10 plus 5 is 15, plus 10 is 25, plus 5 is 30. So it works out. Okay? That's all we are doing today. Just learning about perimeter. Okay? Again, you need perimeter, or how do you do perimeter? You add it. Okay? You add all your sides. Again, that's why I show you 3 different ways, because there's 3 different ways to do it. Okay? Obviously, if you're a triangle, you're not going to do something like this. But for rectangles, 2 times length plus 2 times width. Okay? For squares, it's side 4 times side. And then for any other shape, unless it's a polygon, if it's a perfect polygon, a hexagon, an octagon, a pentagon, remember, those are all simple sides. All the sides are the same. So for a pentagon, will be 5 times the side. For a hexagon, would be 6 times the side. Octagon, you guys don't know what an octagon is? A stop sign has 8 sides. They're all the same. So 8 times the side. Okay? All right, guys, make sure you write this down. And then I'm going to give you one of each to solve. All right, so now that you guys have it on your paper, I'm going to give you guys numbers to write in here. Okay, you guys are going to solve it. Remember, we are solving for the perimeter. All right, here we go. All right, for the first one, the right triangle, we have 3 inches, 4 inches, and finally 5 inches. Okay, remember, find the perimeter. For the second one, we have 5 centimeters, 5 centimeters, 5 centimeters, and obviously 5 centimeters because it's a square. So we have 5 centimeters for the square. And then finally, for our last one, we have 3 feet and 2 feet. Okay? 3 feet and 2 feet. All right, guys, make sure you send your answers as soon as you're done watching the video. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. Okay? All right, guys. So again, I'll be here waiting for your email.